Being part of a writing community is fantastic. It allows you to bounce your ideas off of your colleagues. It allows you to get their feedback and improve upon your manuscript, whether it's short story, long form fiction, novels. But you got to take it with a grain of salt also, right? You have to use what you can use based on what you think is best for your novel or your short story. You can discard whatever you want. That's your option. But don't, rewrite your novel or short story against what you believe it should be based on what other people think, even if it's from a professor or somebody that you aspire to be like in terms of writing. I know a bunch of famous stories where writers, best-selling writers, turned down or discarded the advice that their advisor, MFA advisor, or mentor provided, and it worked. So do what you have to do, but everything relies on you. Don't depend on anybody else.